Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender D300 X-Dynamic S, finished in Santorini black metallic paint, with 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the rear of the vehicle we can see the spare wheel. As we enter now behind the rear door, we can see the load space with the 40-20-40 rear folding seats. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the panoramic roof from the inside, and we have the khaki resist seats with centre armrest, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and on the centre console we have the rear climate vents. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card as we turn in to view the heated front seats. Turning now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. We have the 3D surround camera view, and on the centre console we can see the 2-zone climate controls and the gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.